Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create the neon outline text effect in CapCut for PC. So first I'm going to add black screen background and I'm going to add text. Just click text and default text. Alright, so just for duration in the same lane with the duration of the text. Change for text, for example, and you can just for scale and then change for color. I'm just going to and then change for the font style, right? So after done, select the clips and right click, select create compound clip. Go to opaque and select video opaque, select length, and you can scroll down until you find select my clip, scroll down until you find the neon outline effect. Here's just add to tray. Here you go. And just forward the option right here. Alright. You can add another opaque. So simple. Alright. One swing. See, for the final result, you can add audio and anything you like. So that's how you can create the neon outline text effect in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.